Yes, this is Liberal washing machine. Easier for you to wash your clothes clean. No stress, no peeling of hands. You're gonna wash your children's clothes free and stress-free. When you wash with detergent and you are okay, you have to rinse it again. And as you can see, this is a Liberal washing machine. Are you tired of using electricity with your washing machine and the electricity goes off and you have to wait again before you start washing? Here comes the manual washing machine without using electricity. It is good for you, good for your children. For those of you that have children that use so many clothes, this is a Liberal washing machine meant for your children. Their socks, their pants, that you can wash at once. As you can see, it is easy to flow, and as it is going smoothly, it is washing clean. Very clean. What are you waiting for? Hurry, come get yours now for affordable price, affordable amount. This is Liberal washing machine. Come get yours now. As you can see, I'm getting mine. What are you waiting for? Come and get your own. Set yourself free by using this washing machine, which is the manual washing machine. Thank you, and come purchase yours now. Bye.